So today we're supposed to be getting an ice storm, and I really don't want ice storm because I don't like snow or ice or winter. So today we're not really doing much, just about to go to Walmart or Target or whatever and get some stuff. I should do this hair color next. Temple Run the game? They made a game? What's it even about? I mean, I know it's like Temple Run, but... So, of course, I found myself in the toy section because I like toys, and I found all the My Little Pony stuff, but it's not really much modern stuff. And I want like all of these, except I'm almost 18 and it'd look ridiculous buying all this stuff. There are brats and a little horse in a purse. And a little pony, and apparently it walks, and I had something like that when I was like 8, except it was a big cat, not a kitten. And whenever I petted it, hissed at me. I didn't like it. They're staring into my soul. So, I've totally lost my mom. And, oh, posters. We just gotta go looking for her now. So far the ice storm hasn't really been that ice stormish yet. And associate use only. Yarn. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by all the art supplies because I feel really crafty right now. Especially with sequins like this. And bridal satin. Oh, that's really nice. I give to you the ice storm. And Luna. Ice storm. Dun dun dun. There's nothing. Yeah, she is. But it's only 30 degrees out. And I have Snapple Mango Madness. Hello and welcome to Cooking with Marley. Food of the day is Betty Crocker's hot chocolate brownies. First step is to get all your ingredients together. Our first ingredient is 1/4 cup water. Our second ingredient, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Our next ingredient, 1 egg. Stir until it looks like this. Don't forget to spray the pan. Oops. Okay, so you missed it. I just started choking on the Pam spray that I sprayed into the bowl because I sprayed too much. And I was just choking. You can see like my eyes are still watery. Now that you have poured the mix into the baking pan, you spread this marshmallow stuff onto the batter. And now we bake. Some ice storm we're having. This should be your finished product. It's kind of ugly, but should be tasty. We've gotten a little more snow now, but it's nothing major. No ice storm yet. Just a lot of snow. Goodbye, Christmas tree. We hardly knew ye. Now it's time to cut the brownies. Oops. She's asleep. She looks like a pile of clothes. It's 4:30 and I have coffee. House jar. Cup. Really? Really? Hi. No. Yes.
Waker.
Alright, so my brother's playing Legend of Zelda Wind Waker, and he's at this scene where he's at a shop, it looks like, and there's this guy, and whenever you buy something from him, he says thank you in the most annoying way, and I hate it so much. And, oh, here he goes. I don't like that, I just don't... He freaks me out a little too. But Riley likes to overdo it, like he's doing right now. Oh my god, stop. So my mom and I are watching the SAG Awards, and we're having a competition to see who can guess the winners of the awards right. Because I usually get these pretty well. And I have a friend, my friend Brent, looks just like Bradley Cooper from Silver Lining Playbook.
I think of everything everyone did for me, and I feel like a very lucky guy.
Oh, you can't really see that well right now, but he looks just like him. Sally and I think so. So we can't look at Bradley Cooper without thinking about Brent.